Okay, good morning, everyone. So, guys, let's now start with the first case study. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, Samir.
Yes.
Okay. So, let's start with the first case study now. So, the first case study and the title of the case study. Okay, so the title of the case study. So, the case study one. And the title of the case study, guys, everyone. So, I'm just giving you copy data from Azure blob storage, copy data from Azure blob storage to Azure blob storage. Copy data from Azure blob storage to blob storage. So this is the title of the case study. Okay, this is the title of the case study. And now, guys, let's go with the specifications. So always we have to move based on the specifications. So based on the specifications, you have to move further, guys. So now, source, yes, source data storage. See, guys, I'm using the source. Source means what? What is my source, guys? Everyone. Yeah, please respond. Source data storage is what is that? Azure blob storage. Am I audible?
Yes, Samir.
Source data store is Azure blob storage. And the next one, I'm using the files or file. So file is nothing but I'm using the airlines.csv. And this file is already available in your Google Drive. Check. So this file is already available in your Google Drive, guys. So the list of all the files which we are going to use it are available onto this particular airlines.csv. Okay. Then you have the sync data store. What do you mean by sync, guys? Everyone? Yes, what do you mean by sync? Sync is the destination. Okay. So sync is also what? Azure blob storage. Now, guys, everyone just tell me what is a blob storage? What do you mean by blob storage? Yes. What is a blob storage? What is the full form of it?
Binary large.
Yes, binary large object. Binary large object. And what type of data it can store?
All type of data it can store.
Yes, it can store all type of data. Any type of data we can say. That is called a structured, semi-structured, and as well as what? Unstructured data. Okay, guys, structured, semi-structured, and unstructured, any kind of data. So, guys, based on this, we have to move further. So now, guys, today we'll start with the practicals directly. So first of all, as this process has some procedure, so what I will do is I will divide it. Okay, guys, I will divide it. I will divide it in this thing. That is nothing but the parts, or we can say the steps here. The first step, I'm just writing it here. Guys, steps. Guys, create resource group. Second one is create source storage account. Third step is create sync storage account. And the fourth step, we have it here. Totally, we have 9 steps, guys. Totally, we have the 9 steps. Okay, so sync the storage account, source storage account. And the next one is create ADF. Create what's that? ADF. That's it. Create ADF session. Okay, guys. So now let's begin with this. So now first one. So guys, everyone, what do you mean by a resource group here? Yes, everyone. What do you mean by resource group? So anyways, you're
It's a
not.
folder.
Very good. It's in folder basically. The resource group is nothing but just you can say it, you can assume this as a folder. That's it. Okay. So guys, you can assume it as a folder. Okay. So we have what's that? So let us see. Guys, here I have a desktop, all of you. This is the desktop. I think you're not able to see it. I'm resharing my screen. Here you have a folder. This is a folder or not? Everyone's just tell me. Is this a folder with the name called EMP? Is there or not?
Yes.
Open this. So when I open this, it has some files. Am I right? This folder
Yeah.
has some files. So now
Yes.
if I'm deleting this folder, if I'm deleting this folder called EMP, will the files be there after deletion, or the files will also be deleted with the folder?
File also will be deleted.
This file will also deleted. Why? Because this entire files, whatever you have it, these are dependent for data on the folder. Am I right or not? These are
Yes.
dependent for data on the folder. That's it. So now, so we can say that this kind of a folder is called as a resource group here. That's it. Whereas the entire data pipeline, that means the entire data pipeline. Okay, guys, the entire data pipeline, everything will be recorded into this particular what's that? Entire data pipeline, everything will be recorded into this. That is called as a resource group. Everything is recorded into the resource group. So we can say resource group is nothing but it is a main folder where the whole pipeline, where whole what's it? The pipeline along with its components will be recorded. So whenever you wanted to delete that pipeline, simply delete the resource group. So we can say resource group is like a main folder which holds the entire process, and which holds the entire process, guys. Okay, that's it. Now again, next thing you have it what? Storage account. So now I'll write down the, I'll just go ahead with the first step, guys. Everyone, So I will just go ahead with the first step now. Just open this. All of you, are you able to see the screen now?
Yes, Samir.
So now can you see it? Here you have what's that? The home page where we have been to this Azure portal.azure.com. Where do we have been to? What's that? Portal.azure.com. 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 We are already in towards it. Portal.azure.com. Portal.azure.com. Okay, guys. So once you're there onto the portal.azure.com, so we have what's that? So let's start with the resource group. Can you see here, everyone? Do you have a do you have a icon here called resource group?
Yeah.
If the icons are available here, that's no problem. If you don't have the icons, you can type it here, resource group. You can search. Visit everything, whatever you wanted. So just click on this, double tap, everyone. And now, guys, once you are here, so you will have a, what's that? Can you see here? You will have a blade called create blade. This is called as what? Create blade. So you want to create a new resource group or not, everyone? So
Yes.
just click on the create blade. Just click on the create blade, guys, everyone. Now assign the resource group. Now assign the resource group, guys, everyone. Now assign the resource group. Now assign the resource group. So guys, just assign the resource group now. So for that, just put the control here and now provide the name here. Any name you can give it here. Any name you can provide it here, guys. Provide the resource group. So now, guys, I'm using it here as okay. Uh, Azure 7 Azure 6:30 a.m. Okay, group. See, there is no restriction for using of the capital letters or anything like that because here it doesn't. Okay, okay. Because here you can use it anything. So I'm using Azure 6:30 a.m. group. What's that? Azure 6:30 a.m. group, guys. Everyone, Azure 6:30 a.m. group, and this is nothing but the default thing you have it. Region is East US. That means what? It will store the data in the data center called what? East US data center. It will store the data in the data center called what? East US data center. That's it. And this is nothing but the subscription name. So you can change your subscription name as well. Okay. So just click on the create. The first time it will go, if I, you have to click this button 2 times. First time when you click on create, it will go and verify whether any there is nothing but resource group is available with the given name or not. If not, it will create it. That's it. Click on the review. Validation passed. That means there is no resource group in Azure globally. There is no resource group with a name that is within Azure globally with a name called we have given it. Okay. The validation is passed now. So click on the create. Now, guys, this is ready. Open this. This is called as a resource group. Guys, everyone. So here the subscription is the clouds engineer Samir, and this is my ID, subscription ID. This is default anyways. So do you have any deployments? Deployments what? Have we created anything? Nothing. So after we create step by step, then I will show you here what are the things will be available. Okay. So, and it is taking the region as what? East US as the region. Just click on this, everyone. And now open this, guys. Open the second tab. First tab is completed. Second tab is started. Okay, the next one is what? Guys, the first step is completed. Huh? The first step is completed here. So what's the second step, guys? Can you tell me, please, all of you? Yes, what's the second step, guys? Please answer my question.
Yeah, source storage account.
So you have to create the source storage. What is your source storage account?
It's a BLOB, Azure BLOB storage.
Yes, the source storage account is Azure Blob Storage. It is binary large object. Just come here. Now, guys, just open this. When you want to create a storage account, take a tab and select the storage account here. Take a tab and select what's it? Storage account. Click on this. Now, guys, click on the create blade. Okay. So select the resource group. Now, guys, I wanted to create a storage account in this particular resource group and now provide the name of the storage account. So now, guys, here there is no capital letters allowed. There is no capital letters allowed. So you cannot use any kind of capital letter. It cannot be the okay, anything, whatever you want, but take a numer that is a normal letters, okay, with a combination of character and numeric, and no even special characters are allowed here. So I'm using it. Okay. Source blob Durga Soft. Okay. 1. It's also there. 2. 2 is also there. 3. See, globally it is checking, guys. Got it, everyone? So now Durga Soft, source blob Durga Soft 99 is available. Fine, everyone. The name is available. You cannot use the duplicate names, guys. Make sure you cannot have a duplicate name. It will go and check globally. If you have any duplicate name, it will throw an error. That's it. Click on the create, guys. Again, click on the create. That's it, guys. The deployment is in process. Means what? It is creating the process. Yes, everyone, it's creating the process. So now this is nothing but what? Azure Blob Storage. This is nothing but what? Azure Blob Storage, which is my source account right now. Please, all of you, tell me, are you following it?
Yes, Samir.
Yes, Samir.
So now it is created. See here, click on the go to resource. Now this is ready. This is ready, guys. So now can you see here? Refresh it. No deployments. No. Click on refresh. Go to the resource group and put the control. Refresh it. Now see, it says one succeeded. Am I right or not? Hello.
Yeah,
What is
yeah.
the one succeeded? Source blob Durga Soft 99 is created. Okay, now that's it. So now you want to see this, go back. Now, guys, now this is ready. Now I'll repeat the same process once again. Why? Because I wanted to create the sync storage as well. So sync is also Azure Blob Storage. So for that, I'm taking a new tab. Click on this storage account. Click on the create tab. So now provide it. What's it? I'm using sync Durga Soft 99. Okay, now Shankh Durga Soft 99 is available. Same process. Click on the review. Click on the create. Click on the review and click on the create. That's it. Okay, guys. So now refresh it. Refresh. If you click on the refresh, it will just create it very fast. Now it's created. Go to resource. Everything is normal. See, guys, the source is ready and the sink is also ready. Clear, everyone?
Just one question, can I?
Please, please.
Yeah. So while creating, like while giving the name, like you got that, like the name is available or not, like the same name you can't give. So where exactly it is checking like that name is available? Like is it
Globally.
specific to user? Global?
Globally, it will check.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, globally, this name should not be there. Globally, it will go and check. In all the data centers, it will check.
Okay.
It's
Thank
not
you.
like that if you have a US data center, so in
Mm.
US data center it will be, and in other data centers it's allowed because the same kind of data is available or may be available in all across all the things or across all the data centers globally.
Okay.
So now guys, the source is ready and the sink is ready. This is fine now. Okay. Next, see the steps wise. You have created a resource group, guys. Everyone created a source storage, sink storage. That's it. Okay. Source storage, sink storage is ready now. And now the next step is that session creation. That is called as what? ADF session creation. But before we go with the Azure session creation, so just click on this. Very simple. Just open this. And now, guys, click on the Azure Data Factory. That means till here, till creation of a source and creation of the target, everything is common. Am I right? That means common in the sense you can use it for ADF, you can use for ADB, you can go for Synapse. But till here, the steps are common, guys. From here, the step will change now. Can you see it? You can, after that, you can do it with Azure Databricks, or you can go ahead and do it with what's that? Data Factory as well. So click on the Data Factory. Click on the Create Blade. Select the resource group. Already I've created the resource group. Am I right? Azure 6:30 AM group. And now, guys, give the name instance. I'm giving the name, any name you can use it. Instance, blob to blob. Copy. Any name you can give it here, okay? Review and create. That's it, guys. Simple. So these are the basic 4 steps. Validation passed and deployment is under the process. Now the deployment is not happening. Why? Because you want to see this. What is the error? So go to this redeployment. Nothing else. The name must be already available. Select the resource group. some name. I'm just changing it to, see, it's running off. Click on the create. Now guys, succeeded in deployment. That means it's ready. Just go to the resource. Fine, everyone. This is my data factory session. The first step is what, guys? Creation of the Azure Blob storage. Yes, everyone. Creation of the Azure Blob, that is a resource group. First of all, create the Azure resource group, guys. Okay. So first of all, create the Azure resource group. Okay. And now, guys, see here. I've created the data factory, I've created the sink, and I've created the source. So just check it in the resource group. All are available. So now, guys, overview just to see here. So one failed, three succeeded. Just now, it one failed, but three succeeded. And now this is my source storage, and this is my sink storage, and this is data factory. Clear, everyone? Please tell me, guys.
Yes.
So these are the, anyways, the steps we have it. Okay, guys. So, okay, guys. So now we'll just stop it, and we'll just move very slowly on to this because, even for the people who are very new to this session, so should understand and what exactly the thing you have it. And rest of the parts we will just continue it tomorrow. Okay. That's totally we will be having the 9 steps. Okay. So that's it for these 2 to 3 days. It will be like this. Then we'll catch up on our normal speed from 6:30 to 7:30. Okay, guys. So that's it. I'm just stopping the session, and we will continue tomorrow from this part itself. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Samir. Hello.
Please, please.
Samir, as you mentioned, the storage account, it is going to check globally, right? And at the user specific globally or irrespective of user session, whether that
Irrespective of the users, it's not. It
irrespective
will
of the
check
user.
every user. It will check.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Samir, one more question
Please, please.
regarding this storage, like this below storage can store all type of data, and same data lake storage also can do. So, what is the difference between both of them?
Let us just once we go into this, I'll explain you
Okay,
what
okay.
the ADLS Gen 2.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye-bye.